What's up, everybody? Daniel Ortiz, shop foreman at Pikes Peak Harley-Davidson, and this is our tech tip this week. All right, guys, this week we're going to be talking about .4 in your motorcycle. Some of your bikes have .4 in your clutch system, but today we're going to be talking about your brake system. So right here we have our standard brake master cylinder. As you can see, there's .4 inside of it. This is a little dirty, but whenever I grab my brake fluid tester for .4 and I actually plug it in, as you can see, we have hit the greater than 4% mark. This is a very useful tool that is available for purchase if you want, but we all have one here that we like to use, and this one is mine. But the importance of changing your .4 brake fluid is whenever you get above 4% moisture content, your brake fluid actually becomes less effective. So it is recommended by .4 manufacturers to replace your .4 every 2 years due to moisture content. Yeah. So what used to happen pre .4 Platinum, which I believe came out in 2013 or 2014, the standard .4, whenever it got too much moisture content, the entire reservoir would fill with gel, making your brakes inactive, making the ABS unit faulty. And Harley decided in 2014 to put out a recall for all bikes with .4 and ABS to do a brake flush because of the negligence that was being seen around the country. So right here we just have a basic brake bleeder. Fairly simple. This will go over your speed bleeder on your caliper, which is going to be right here. This little nozzle right here fits right over this guy right here. And you do need air with this style system, but it is very important to do. Something that is necessary. It is a safety measure and precaution to do your brake fluid every 2 years, as I've said before. Okay, so that is our tech tip for the week. If you have any questions or any concerns with your brake system, please do not hesitate to give us a call. Come down, set an appointment so that we can do your .4 brake fluid flush. With most ABS systems, or all ABS systems, there is a digital aspect that has to be done with the bleed. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to come by. Once again, my name is Daniel. I'm the shop foreman here at Pikes Peak Harley-Davidson. Thanks for stopping by.